So here's Airbuds widget app. It's a popular app to track your friends' listening activity. So yeah, the thing with this app is just you connect your Spotify or Apple Music, and then you just see what your friends are currently listening to. So that's basically the idea. You can say, well, I can just do that in Spotify, but yeah, the cool thing with this app is that, yeah, you can just install the home screen widget as you can see here. So just tap and hold. Let's just do it together. Tap plus, and then you can just enter Airbuds, and then you can see, listening activity of your friends, for example. That's how you install home screen widget. Also, you can install, that's my home storage. Then you can just go to wallpaper and add widgets and install Airbuds widget listening activity also on your lock screen. So something like that. And then you will see what your friends are listening to right on your lock screen. So yeah, you can also install it on lock screen. You need iOS 16 for that. So yeah, something around that, and then you can just edit widget and select who you want to get listen activity from. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. Of course, you need to add friends to be able to use this widget. So to add friends, just you can share your invite. You can just send people. You can see some discovery section. You can find friends. I don't know, just by username. Something like that. Then if you see what your friends are listening to, you can just tap in the bottom of Spotify or Apple Music, depending on what you connected, and then just open up in your app. Then you can react to these people's music. You can send messages. Then you can see top streamer award goes to which person. So that's another thing what you can do. And yeah, a lot of cool features. Then you see your account, you can see recently played, you can see your weekly recap, and then you see your settings. You can add again lock screen widget, you can add your own widget, you can just create a widget just for one friend, or just background text just for one person, for example. You can add a music provider, then there are advanced options. Then there are friends, you can block users. There is some ambassador program, I don't know what that is, you can apply. And then in the bottom, you can delete your account as well. Just follow through the steps and then you can just delete your account. Then you can also, of course, change your profile picture. Your profile picture is basically synced from your Spotify account or Apple account, I guess. If you just log in first time, you can edit your info, you can change your username, change your name. So yeah, then you can invite your friends here on Snapchat or somewhere else. So then you can just tap, and then you need to have Snapchat app installed, and then here you can just share something like that. So yeah, that's basically the app. Of course, you probably heard about Locket widget or Noted widget. These apps started to get a lot of traction with introduction of widgets on iOS, home screen widgets. And yeah, so you can share your photos, you can share your notes on home screen widgets, you can share some emojis, videos with your friends. Now you can also do it with the share the music. So yeah, give a try to this app and leave your reviews in the comments.